This is Richard Provost. I wanted to give her some points. Now, I'm getting... Okay, now, the fact about the Constitution, I'm getting really heavy on this shit. But the thing about it is, okay, when you're taking to court on anything, it must... why you're taking to court must strictly be based, completely followed in the United States Constitution. Because why? Because the courts are supposed to practice the United States Constitution in court 24/7. So, yeah, so when you're taking a court, it has to be under the Constitution. What you violate. Now, the positive laws we have for our state, child support, yes. That's a positive law. But where it falls out of the positive law and where the judge in the court violates your constitutional rights is on the decision. It based on the decision that they make. You know what I'm saying? So if his decision is not based under the Constitution, like, it has to be positive. Even if it's a state law, it has to be positive. Or go by the United States Constitution. Okay? In any case, another fact is, no. An attorney that is practicing under corporate fiction laws is committing treason. Okay? That means if he's talking to you, say he's talking to you before the hearing, and he's not going, if he's not going by the constitutional laws, which is the supreme law of the land, laws of the land, and everything else, no other laws by any state of the government is above it. No, it don't matter what it is. No friggin' laws that they make up are above the Constitution. The Constitution is above all laws. They're of all. You know what I'm saying? They have to direct the good like that. They have to get, and it stops at the Constitution. There's nothing above it. Everything's below it. So if you hire an attorney and he does not represent you under the Constitution, you can file an immediate lawsuit if he goes into court and he does not mention any part of your amendments. It doesn't matter if the judge doesn't go by it, because the judge still has to go by it. Say you hire an attorney, he has to represent you under the Constitution. Even though the judge may recognize the Constitution, and but they should, his final decision on a case must be under the Constitution. You see what I'm saying? So even though the court and the judge, because it's a scam if they would pull that, oh, we recognize it, but we're going to make this unfair decision. No. Stop. So the entire case is based around the Supreme Court, or Supreme law of the land, the Constitution. Okay? You're taken into court. It has to be something you violated under the Constitution or under a positive law. Because if it's a positive law that's not in the Constitution, it's not really corporate fiction. Okay? If it is a positive law, they can use it. But their laws, if any of their laws violate your constitutional rights, amendments, whatever the freaking Bill of Rights, I don't know. I'm not this genius.